So you don't need a lot of time, neither do you need a lot of makeup product to actually achieve a very flawless, soft glam. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I created this no foundation makeup look. This look is absolutely beautiful and it took me less than 10 minutes to create with about 5 makeup products. So you don't need a lot of time, neither do you need a lot of makeup product to actually achieve a very flawless, soft glam. So if you're going to work or maybe you're going to school and you don't want to go with your bare face, you still want to have little to no makeup on, then this is a very good no makeup foundation look you can go to, because it will take you approximately 10 minutes or even less than. Definitely would not take you a lot of time and you will still look absolutely flawless. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. My skincare routine is done and my face is all prepped. The first product I'll be going in with is my MAC primer. I really love this primer. It sets very nicely in my face and it just gives my makeup a good foundation. And then I'm moving on to my brows. I'm using this e.l.f. brow gel freeze. It's really beautiful. I know Anastasia Beverly Hills do the same brows, just that it's quite expensive. This is a more affordable version and it does get the job done. So here I'm just basically carving my brows and applying the product to make sure that it's sitting nicely, and you can see me pressing it in. This is just so it's in place and it doesn't move throughout the day. And next I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer to basically conceal under my eyes, and I would also be concealing different parts of my face where I have spots or hyperpigmentation, just to cover it up a bit. Usually I wouldn't do this if I was wearing a foundation, because the foundation will cover my spot and hyperpigmentation. And then I'm just going in with a lighter shade of concealer just to brighten up my under eye. My under eye looked a bit dull, so I thought to go in with a lighter shade of concealer just to brighten it up a bit. And then I'm just blending it all in. I'm using the darker shade of concealer to carve out and define my brows. And then I'm just blending it in to make sure that there is no harsh line and it's blended properly. Next up, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder to set underneath my eye and the areas where I have applied the concealer as well. And then I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty eyeliner to line my eyes. Next up is this Clinique mascara. I really love this mascara. I love how it makes my lashes look really voluminous. Like, it makes it really beautiful, and it was quite inexpensive as well, I believe. And then I'm moving on to contour my face just to give it a bit of definition and also add some warmth to the face. Now I'm going in with my blush just to make my face pop a bit. I really love applying blush. It just adds a bit of color to your face. And then I'm going in with my pressed powder to set in all the product on my face. This one is from Fenty Beauty. And then I'm going in with my Urban Decay setting spray to lock all the makeup products in. Next up is my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss. I love how subtle and nude it looks. It's really beautiful. Lastly, I'm just going in with my pressed powder again just to lock in all the makeup and ensure everything stays in place throughout the day. I'm really loving how this no foundation makeup look turned out. It actually exceeded my expectations. I wasn't expecting it to look this good. I absolutely love it. I think this might actually be my go-to everyday makeup routine moving forward. It's really so beautiful. There we have it, guys, the no foundation makeup look. You won't believe this is actually my first time trying this no foundation makeup look. I've seen it all over YouTube and I didn't know it was going to look this good on me. I thought I could never, but I'm so glad that I actually tried the look and it looks absolutely flawless. It looks absolutely beautiful, if I do say so myself. So if you're looking to do your makeup in no time, if you're going to school or you're going to work and you don't want to go with a bare face, you just want to have a very light makeup on, then this no foundation makeup routine will be your best bet because it will take you less than 10 minutes to create. If you enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment, let me know if you'll be recreating this look or if you have actually done the no foundation makeup look and how was the outcome. Did you like it? And I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.